Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this photo transformation from this one look to become this 9 pose. And as you can see, this 9 pose contain in only one frame. How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. Then if you'd like to try it, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, you can start to click this Try Nano Banana. And after that, I will upload the picture from my gallery, for example this one, and the prompt to create this photo transformation gonna be a little bit longer, but trust me, because the result can be that good as the previous photo guys. So you can use this prompt, and don't worry because I will also share you this prompt into the description box. So this will be the prompt we have. Change the attached photo into the 3 multiplied 3 grid collage of 9 distinct images within a single frame. And also the central subject in each of 9 squares should be the same person. That's the main point of the prompt. And after that, you can put the detail. For example, each square must feature a unique pose, expression, or slight variation in action, and all while maintaining the consistently cool, composed, and natural demeanor. And also the setting, all of 9 over here, should be clean, minimalist, and also you can change the color, let's say to become the pastel color, or you can also change it to become white. And the another detail you can put is about the lighting. It will be soft, even, and also the natural across the all shots. And also some variation could include the looking thoughtfully, and also full body shot standing, and also sitting across with the cross-legged, and also writing maybe, and also the profile shoot looking down at the phone like this, holding the mug, etc. And after that, you can ensure the overall aesthetic is sophisticated, understated, and modern, with a focus on clean line and also soft color palette. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before, like this, but maybe the look can be slightly different whenever or even you use this same prompt like this. And if you would like to have the different look, so you can click this rerun this turn, and after that this Nano Banana will give you the different look version of this photo. And if you like it, then don't worry because you can download it and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.